Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing. Make sure your SIM is active and the plan supports data. Once ready, open settings and flip airplane mode on to cut radios. Do not linger, we need the device in flight state first. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi remain off for now. The goal is to reach the airplane state so the phone accepts a special override. This is the only reliable setup step on Vivo devices that precedes enabling cellular in flight. Once airplane mode is active, go straight to SIM card and mobile network settings. You are looking for a vendor option labeled like Allow Mobile Data in Flight, Cellular in Flight, or Enable RF Override. Vivo often hides this under SIM settings. Turn that toggle on. This forces the baseband to keep the data radio active. Then quickly toggle mobile data off and back on to refresh the link. Make sure the selected SIM is the one with your data plan. Finish by confirming the mobile data icon appears and loading a web page. This proves data works while in airplane mode. If you don't see connectivity, turn airplane mode off for a few seconds, then repeat the override steps. Sometimes the radio needs a reset. If problems persist, reboot the phone or reset network settings to clear conflicts. Key troubleshooting tip. If the special toggle is missing, your firmware may not support this. Update Vivo software.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.